I'm just about to start my day and I'm going to mow all the grass on this little beast, which will be great. Here he is, Farmer Joe and his assistant. Ah, who cares? There goes the assistant. And there's a few kangaroos up in the driveway. I don't know if you can see them. Oh yeah, and there's bunny rabbits over there. I mean hares. Paul goes crook because I always call them bunny rabbits. But you can see them just sitting over there in the grass. They're so beautiful. Oh, I thought you would press play.
It was on photo.
Oh, okay. Alright, so can you see me?
Yeah.
I'm off to mow the grass today. That's my Sunday. That's enough. To make sure it's in a neutral.
Clutch.
Oh, it's been a long time since I've done it.
You put your clutch in to be able to change it.
It's the centre one, isn't it?
Where it says N.
Oh, that one. N for neutral?
N for neutral.
Oh, that makes friggin' sense, doesn't it? So I should be able to just kick it away. I've got to have my foot in the clutch.
No, there is no reverse. You reverse it with your foot. Forward and reverse it with your foot. Accelerator foot. Front is forward, back is back. You've got to have it in gear to make it do anything. That's forward, that's reverse.
Oh, right, that's right.
Right, but you've got to have it in gear.
Oh, yes.
So down to the bottom is second. Yes, down the bottom. Now, Farmer Joe. Or we call her Farmer Nellie. Which way are you going? That way? What did you open the horse paddock for? Right.
Okay, so now I've just got to put it into, well, it's staying second, can't it?
Yes.
But then I've got to engage the blade.
How do you engage the blade?
So you've got to drop it down. You've got to drop it.
That one's got to go down?
Yeah.
No, that one stays there.
And then...
And you see the light come on there?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Dropping it down? Is that one dropping it down?
I'm not going to drop it down now, so... Yeah?
No, you don't need to drop it down now. You don't want to drag it on the ground. So drive over to where you want to start mowing. Hey, put on the clutch. You don't need to put on the clutch.
Okay.
You don't need to put on the clutch.
Right, no. Just go down where I need to mow. What's funny? That can't be as fast as it goes.
No, because third speed. You mow in second speed. And you got to give some revs up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey? 101 tractor rider. Hey? Right, stop there. Righto. Engage the... No. That's on the ground.
What?
It's on the ground, that's it.
On the ground, okay. Away I'll go.
Take your foot off the clutch. That's it.
Getting the mowing done. Thank you. Woo! Check this guy out. He's just come out from the bush there and he's picking up all the little bugs. or being picked up by the tractor. He's not going anywhere, he's quite happy just to sit